Good morning, everyone. I am Rhoda Piparan. I'll be reporting the Chapter 7, the e-procurement. What is e-procurement? E-procurement is the electronic integration and management of all procurement activities, including purchase requests, authorization, ordering, delivery, and payment between a purchaser and a supplier. E-procurement is like an online shopping for businesses using digital tools to buy supplies, track spending, and manage contracts. Instead of phone calls and paperwork, you browse catalogs, place orders, and receive invoices online. This makes the process faster, cheaper, and more organized, like having a digital assistant for your purchases. 5 rights of e-procurement. At the right price, delivered at the right time, are of the right quality, of the right quantity, from the right source. One of the advantage of e-procurement is less convenient. Before nila i-place ang order mo for delivery, mag-send sila sa imo through online sang reviews. Then, once nga ma-review mo na ang imo product kung sakto ba or tama ang in-order mo sa ila, dito sila mag-send ang isang invoice through online. Then, pag once nga mag-send na sila sang invoice, need mo siya i-bayadan. Pag mag-payment ka na sa ila, dito nila i-priority ang imo nga order. Pag magbayad ka na, i-place daw nila ang order mo for delivery. One of the examples of e-procurement kay ang Amazon. But before that, bago mo mamanan kung legit ba ang isa ka e-procurement, kay first check the website, then ang mga reviews kailangan mo siya i-read. Pag mag-read ka gani isang reviews, ng taon mo ang ratings kung taas ba ang ginahatag sa ila sang all buyers nga ratings. Pag once nga taas, so satisfy sila sa services nga ginahatag sang isa ka e-procurement. This picture shows that amo ni siya ang process nila sa pag-prepare sang imo nga mga products nga gi-order sa ila. Types of procurement. Production-related procurement. The production-related procurement focuses on acquiring the goods and services necessary for a company's manufacturing or production process. This includes raw materials, components, machinery, and even specialized tools and equipment. It's crucial for ensuring a steady supply of resourcing to meet production demands and maintain product quality. Effective production procurement involves careful supplier selection, negotiation of favorable pricing, and managing inventory levels to minimize waste and maximize efficiency. Then, ang non-production related procurement refers to the acquisition of goods and services that are not directly involved in production process, but are essential for a company's overall operation. This includes items like office supplies, furniture, software license, travel and accommodation, and even legal services. While not directly contributing to product creation, these purchases are vital for supporting administrative tasks, employee productivity, and maintaining a functional work environment. Effective non-production procurement aims to optimize spending, ensure quality, and maintain efficient operation across of all departments. How items are bought. Systematic sourcing. It is a procurement uses digital tools to streamline the process of finding and selecting suppliers. This involves online platforms to research potential suppliers, compare their offerings, and negotiate contracts electronically. The systematic sourcing kay diri na ang mga buyers mag-compare sa mga products nga items, like sa prices nila kung pareha lang ba or lain ba mas taas ba ang isa ka e-procurement nga ginahatag nga prices. By automating tasks and provide access to a wider pool of suppliers, or e-procurement makes systematic sourcing more efficient and effective, leading to a better deals and stronger partnership. Second is spot sourcing. Spot sourcing is a e-procurement like online shopping for urgent needs, where you quickly find and purchase goods or services without long-term commitments. It often used for one-time purchases or emergencies, allowing you to find the best value, available price, and terms in a short time frame. While convenience spot sourcing can be less efficient and potentially more expensive than planned, strategic sourcing. Spot sourcing kay amo ni siya ang pwede ka diri maka-order sang isa ni siya ka e-procurement nga pang urgent needs lang gid siya, kag pang quickly lang, hindi siya sang pang long term nga commitments. Drives of e-procurement. The cost reduction, enhanced budgetary control, elimination of administrative errors, increasing buyers' productivity, improving information management, improving the payment process. The e-procurement nga purchasing process by automating tasks, improving these drives of e-procurement kay it significantly reduces costs through streamlined workflows, automated approval process, better price negotiation, and reduced paperwork. E-procurement also enhances budgetary control, eliminates administrative errors, increases buyer productivity, improves information management, and streamlines the payment process. By leveraging technology, e-procurement empowers organizations to operate more effectively, make smarter decisions, and achieve greater success in today's competitive landscape. Risk and impact of e-procurement. The organization risks need to redeploy the staff. The redeploying staff moving to e-procurement might be required changes in rules and responsibilities within the department. Some staff may need to be retained or redeployed to different tasks, potentially leading to resistance or concern about job security. Technology risk, integration with existing financial system. E-procurement system need to seamlessly integrate with a company's existing financial system, or such as ERP, enterprise resource planning software. A lack of compatibility or a complex integration process can be lead to delays, errors, and frustration. That's all, and thank you.